bersama.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda Meisha. You can call me Meisa. I'm from West Java, Indonesia. I live in Majalengka and I was born on 23 May 2005. So now I am 21 years old. My hobby is traveling. My favorite food is French fries. My favorite drink is coffee. My favorite color is black. I want to be teacher and I work the culinary field. Well, that's all about my interests. Thank you for nice attention. Happy to meet you. See you.